I'm so excited to show you this silicone muffin holder or baker. So this holds 6 muffins or egg bites, and it is all silicone. But what I really like about this, well, there's 2 things I actually really love about this. For one, it's collapsible. So let me get that up. When you store this, it makes storage so easy because my other muffin thing is big, bulky, and takes up a lot of room. So with this one, collapses easily. I also like the sturdiness of the design, which is within the frame here, there is a like metal frame. So what that's great for is stability of the actual product. And then when you go to release the muffins or egg bites, you give it just a little twist. It's not even like a twist. It's just a little boop, boop. And then they pop right out. So really love that feature as well. But let's go ahead. I'm going to show you some muffins. Got some blueberry muffins today. Show you how great this works and how the product turns out. Let's get this blueberry muffin dough into the muffin cup holder. Gonna add a little streusel topping here, and into the oven they will go. Wow, look at them. All right, the muffins are complete. They look amazing. Now, let me just show you how easy they are to pop right out of this container. So I'm gonna give it a little kind of shimmy there. Pop, 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 pop. Look at that. Look at these beautiful, delicious muffins, all with a silicone muffin cup holder.